Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's wedding day number 11. Today I'll be making 3 different table numbers that you can put on your wedding table at your reception. Table numbers are usually made because the bride sometimes makes a seating chart for her guests. When the guests walk into the reception hall, they are given a table number in which they are seated at. I'm just giving the bride-to-be 3 ideas that she may want to use on her table. I want to take the time out to thank everyone who took the time out of their busy schedule to watch my video. I appreciate you guys. For my first time viewers, welcome. And if you like this video, by the end of it, please subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so that you will know each time I upload a video. And to my dedicated, beautiful, loyal family members that keep coming back and watching my videos and commenting, liking, sharing, I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I truly thank you. God bless. Now for the rest of this video, I would just like for you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy it. Family, at the end of this video, please let me know if you like table number 1, 2, or 3.